Hi, I'm Darcy from Lumos Learning, and today I will demonstrate how to use Lumos Guided Practice to help students in grade 6 develop conceptual understanding for specific topics in math. The Lumos Guided Practice is an intelligent, artificial intelligence-powered conversational system that offers students with individualized practice in an empathetic environment. Like a teacher, it carefully learns from the students' proficiency data and significantly simplifies the user's experience. It also offers lessons that are precisely tailored to the student's unique needs and provides interactive voice and visual aids to motivate and engage learners. Let's dive right into Lumos Guided Practice and see it in action. Once you open up the free Guided Practice module on the Lumos Learning website, you'll need to select the grade and the subject for which you'd want to practice more questions. Here are the domains for grade 6 math. For today's demonstration, I will be choosing the domain titled Ratios and Proportional Relationships. The questions are standards aligned, dynamic, and support independent practice. We'll select this first question here and click the play button to get started.
The ratio of bluebirds to robins is 2:1. The teacher asked, if there is a total of 240 bluebirds and robins, how much is one part of the total?
The Lumos assistant reads out the question. If you are not sure of the answer and need some extra support, click on the hint button in blue over here.
A ratio of bluebirds to robins of 2:1 means that for every 2 bluebirds there is 1 robins. In a ratio of 2:1 there are a total of 3, which is 2 plus 1. One part of the total is the simplest form obtained by dividing the total number of birds with this number.
Nice! With the help of this hint, you can try arriving at an answer. To respond via voice, click on the mic here, or simply enter your answer in the text box and hit submit.
It is 80. Here is how I got 240 divided by 2 plus 1. The teacher then asked, how many bluebirds are there?
Uh-oh, looks like your answer is wrong and you need some more practice. You can refer to the detailed explanation over here. You can see they give you another question that you can try. How many bluebirds are there?
Well done. Good job. Would you like to try another problem similar to this?
That's a right answer. You rock. What's more, at the top right, you have the settings icon. Here, it gives you access to the volume control slider to increase or decrease volume for Lumos Assistant's voice. With these other buttons, you can hit pause, replay, mute, and control the playback speed of the audio narration. Isn't this super cool and easy? I hope you loved Lumos Guided Practice. Simply head over to the Lumos Learning website, select grade and subject of your choice, and try it for free.